The Superior Labor Court, Tribunal Superior de Trabalho, in Portuguese, is the highest Brazilian appellate court for labor law issues. Its headquarters are located in Brasilia, near the American Embassy. It is one of the 5 high courts in Brazil. It is the highest instance in the Brazilian federalized labor court system, which includes the regional labor courts at common appeal level, and the trial labor courts in the first instance level. History. The origins of that court remonts the National Labor Council, created in 1923, which was a part of the federal executive branch, subordinated to the Ministry of Agriculture, Industry and Commerce. In 1946 the council was transformed in the Tribunal Superior de Trabalho. The Brazilian constitution adopted in that same year recognized the TSD as part of the judiciary branch, no longer subordinated to the executive branch. That basic situation was kept by all subsequent constitutions. Since its origins, that court was integrated by both effective ministers and temporary class ministers. The effective ministers were considered magistrates for all legal prerogatives, while the temporary classist ministers, which were parity representatives of both patrons and employers, were appointed for a fixed term and had fewer powers and prerogatives. The classists' ministers were abolished by a constitutional amendment in 1999, subsisting only the effective ministers. Composition. By the actual legislation, the court is integrated by 27 members, entitled ministers, appointed by the President of Brazil. The nomination only occurs after the approval of the Senate. All the nominated members must be at least 35 and no more than 65 years old, must have Brazilian nationality and moral integrity, plus all the requirements to enter in a public service career. There are 3 positions reserved: lawyers, indicated by the Order of Attorneys of Brazil, 3 for members of the public ministry, and the remaining 21 for career judges of the regional labor courts.